So we've gotten ourselves this far now, where we've made our dashed word, a new dashed word, and we've just made it to put inside here. But obviously it's not literally putting the letters that we want inside the dashed word yet. So, let's go in and let's make something inside of it. So remember, every single way it indents, so everything that's indented here belongs inside this. And everything that's indented this far belongs inside this, which then belongs inside this. So we're going to do the same sort of thing. So all this stuff is inside this if statement. We're going to make ourselves a new layer of this indentation. So we're going to start with a for loop. So it's going to check for something. It's going to check for something, however I want to name it, You could name it I. I is, a very easy thing that every single book will ever say when they're using a for loop. But, basically you're just naming a variable. So in this case, I'll say, I don't know, I'll just name it, I don't know, correct letter. Why don't we do that? So we understand what's happening. This is a correct letter that's going in. So, and it's in the range of the length of my picked word. Okay? So, take a look what's happening here. So, I'm going to check to see if this variable that is called correct letter is inside the range. So, however far it is of the length. So, the range is the string variant of this. So a range is the string. So one of these guys, each individual bit is a string. And that string across the entire length, so the position of it in the picked word. So basically, if there's multiple A's will pop in. And it'll pop in the correct order. So, we're doing that. And we're going to go... Whoop. Let me make sure I'm clicked inside there. There we go. So, if, the guess equals word, sorry, not my word, my picked word. So if my guess is inside, so if it's inside a picked word, but it's not obviously equal to my picked word, it's equal to a position in my picked word, which would be the correct letter. See? So I'm looking for the individual spots inside the word. So if my guess, which is a single letter, is inside one of my picked words, so then it'll do something. So it'll be simply, whoops, forgot my double colon. The new dashed word will then plus equal that guess, right? So it'll now equal itself plus that. So, now this is also why they recommend using I, because it's really a lot easier just to type I in here instead of typing all that. But now if you look what happens here, so if I say A, there's no A's in it. B, how about E? Oh, yep, there's two E's. There are now two E's inside that. So now we've got two E's. We knew there were two E's, and those two E's have gone up here. We have gotten it from there to there. But we've got ourselves a little bit of a problem here. We only have the two E's. All the other dashes have gone away. So we're one step closer, but we're not there yet. So let's go and fix this up in the next video.